Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be taking a look at the Cowin E7 wireless headphones. These are ANC. They retail for about $60 on Amazon. I had to purchase these myself, so this is going to be a non-biased review, but let's get straight into it. Back, and you have basically information on how to contact them and where it was manufactured and other stuff. We have a warranty card, tells you how to register, and it has some other information, and then it says register within 14 days to get extended warranty. Yeah, thank you basically for purchasing their order. Right here you have a user manual, just a ton of different information on different languages as well. Alright, on the top you have a leather. I'm not sure if it's a real leather. I think it's a fake leather. I'd just help it without scratching. Pretty sure this would get pretty beat over time, but it does look really nice. As you can see, it's getting beat pretty much from the inside. Here you have a user manual, I guess, or quick instructions on how to pair it to devices. And here are the headphones itself. We also have some cables. You have a auxiliary cable, 3.5 millimeter. It's Cowin branded. It is not gold plated. And then right here we have a micro USB to USB-A charging cable. Once again, Cowin branded. Decent cables. There's no Type C. So let's get these headphones out. Build quality looks really good. I'm not sure, is this metal? It looks like a metal. I think it is a metal, I can't tell. Yeah, it is a metal. Alright, so you have a metal and then reinforced headband with aluminum. Pretty cool. I mean, it does look pretty nice actually. Up and down, you can also use it as a play button, play or pause. And then right here you have the off, you have the on, and then noise canceling, as well as the 3.5. You have a microphone probably for the ANC, unless the ANC is up here. Yep, ANC microphones are on top. Micro USB, LED indicator to charge, and I'm pretty sure that's it. And they do swivel. Padding is actually really good on the top, as well as the ear cuffs. The comfort should be good. Battery life, I'm pretty sure should last about 30 hours. Pair it to the device. So to pair these is pretty simple. Just turn on the headphones, do straight to noise canceling, or you can just do in the middle. That's how you turn it on. It'll go into pairing mode, and you just go ahead and pair it in other devices. There we go, we are connected. And then just do a voiceover so you can't hear the music if it's leaking. Turning on noise canceling now. So we tried it on with and without noise canceling, and it does sound pretty good. The bass isn't all that. The noise cancellation itself, when you like snap, the ANC does kick in, and it is decent. It's not the best on a pair of headphones, but it is actually pretty good. The bass, it's decent. It's just not loud enough for me, the bass or anything like that. If you want, since these are like $60, spend an extra $40 and get the Skull Candy ANC headphones, or the Skull Candy Crusher if you like bass. But definitely for Skull Candy, definitely get those ones. But these ones are, they're decent. I don't even know why they have so many reviews on Amazon personally, because these aren't even that good. Overall, I mean, presentation, everything else is pretty good, but battery life is good. Comfort is actually really good. Just not loud enough, but definitely something for like media or some super loud music. That, I don't know, because I already had it all the way up, and I normally don't put my headphones up this high. I usually have it at half volume, and it still is really good, but these aren't just loud enough. They don't have good enough for bass for me, but they are, yeah, they're okay for some people that don't care about that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in